Now we're going to take a look at the elbow and another loop cut that I want to do. So the first thing we'll do is we'll put a loop cut here, we'll put a loop cut here. Now I want to do a loop cut here also, and you can see how it wraps around to the back, which I want. But when it goes up the neck, it goes all the way through the head. I don't want that, so I have to find a way to stop it. So one way that I can do that is if I come up here to this area and I just put a split right there. So now that we have a 5-sided polygon here, it will stop right here, as you can see. So now I can put that loop cut in. So now what I need to do is I need to deal with this area. So if I just go ahead and I split that, and then I can select that edge and I can dissolve it. Then I can do a loop cut there. Then I can just split there. And now that we have all that split, now we can go into the sculpting and move stuff around. So all I'm going to do here is the same thing that we've pretty much been doing. Just going to space things out a little bit better. Pull that down a little bit. That's looking better. Even that out some. Now we do have all of this new geometry that's been added. So I want to make sure that I go in and I space all this out also. Don't forget what I told you about when you do a loop split like that, it flattens everything out. So you have to go back and pull that stuff out. Now another thing that you can do is you can just turn on with your regular draw brush, and you'll notice that if I start drawing over these, it inflates them, and it inflates them on the normal, which is actually a good thing because then you don't have to worry about what angle you're at in the viewport. So a lot of times I'll use that too, just to pull things in the right direction where you just don't have to worry about your angle as much. That looks pretty good. We're going to pull this down, try to even these out a little bit more. Things are a little bit bunched up right here. I'm going to try to pull this stuff up a little bit too. It's all about looking at it from different angles. This is why I said you should constantly be rotating your view and looking at it from all different angles. And I think I want to pull this up a little bit, pull this back. Yeah, I think that looks better. We'll deal with this area in here later. We have quite a bit of stuff to sculpt in there, so I'm not going to worry about that too much right now. Maybe pull these down to even them out a little bit. And I think that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.